Induction motor versus synchronous motor. Difference between synchronous and induction motor. Hi everybody, today I will share about induction motor versus synchronous motor. AC motors can be divided into two main categories: 1. Synchronous motor and 2. Asynchronous motor. An asynchronous motor is popularly called as induction motor. Both the types are quite different from each other. Major differences between a synchronous motor and an induction motor are discussed below. 1. Synchronous motors require DC excitation to be supplied to the rotor windings. Induction motors don't. 2. Synchronous motors require a DC power source for the rotor excitation, but induction motors don't require DC power source. 3. Synchronous motors require rotor windings, while induction motors are most often constructed with conduction bars in the rotor that are shorted together at the ends to form a squirrel cage. 4. Synchronous motors operate at synchronous speed RPM 120 fP, while induction motors operate at less than synchronous speed RPM 120 fP. Slip is nearly zero at zero load torque and increases as load torque increases. 5. Synchronous motors require a starting mechanism in addition to the mode of operation that is in effect once they reach synchronous speed. 3-phase induction motors can start by simply applying power, but single-phase motors require an additional starting circuit. 6. Synchronous motors are generally more efficient than induction motors. 7. Synchronous motors can be constructed with permanent magnets in the rotor, eliminating the slip rings, rotor windings, DC excitation system and power factor adjustability. 8. Synchronous motors require slip rings and brushes to supply rotor excitation. Induction motors don't require slip rings, but some induction motors have them for soft starting or speed control. 9. The power factor of a synchronous motor can be adjusted to be lagging, unity or leading, while induction motors must always operate with a lagging power factor. 10. Synchronous motors are usually built only as sizes larger than about 1000 horsepower 750 kilowatt because of their cost and complexity. However, permanent magnet synchronous motors and electronically controlled permanent synchronous motors called brushless DC motors are available in smaller sizes. Thanks for watching my learning video. Induction motor versus synchronous motor. Difference between synchronous and induction motor. More videos, please subscribe my channel Learning Engineering.